The Telenco drop wire clamp is adjustable and reusable, and the clamp is non-corrosive. The integral bail can be attached to all existing BT fittings. The clamp has the added advantage of allowing termination box to be fitted with a minimum of effort. Attach the drop wire clamp to the ring pole head or other approved fitting by the integral bail. Form a loop with the drop wire and feed it through the narrow end of the body. Put the drop wire loop around the wedge, ensuring that the drop wire is held in place by the guides, and insert the wedge into the body. The drop wire tension can be easily adjusted as shown using a suitable tool for holding the wedge in place. With the tool in place, pull the lower drop wire until the desired tension is achieved. When the tension is achieved, remove the tool, therefore ensuring that the drop wire is firmly tensioned. The drop wire jointing connection box consists of 2 lugs to clip the box onto the drop wire clamp, 2 doors to gain access, with each door having 2 holes, with each hole allowing access for 2 drop wires. The box is quite simply pushed onto the lugs that are on the side of the drop wire clamp.